Hey guys, it's James McAwee and welcome to another video. And I just picked this up today. It just released, and as you can see, I have the Wii U system. Yep, I've been waiting for this. It just released, and let me show you what I got to go along with it. I got this Wii U Write and Protect Act cover for the touchscreen, I think. And I also got this new video game, New Super Mario Bros. Wii U. Or New Super Mario Bros. U, it says. Yep. So, I'm gonna get this thing opened. Yeah. And, so I'm gonna unbox this. Yeah, let's get this thing opened. Yep. And as you can see, it has two split sides. Let's open one at a time. Yep. Let's open this top first. Forgive me if it takes time. Yeah. So far, so good. Okay. Yep. I think this is the oh! I think this is the gamepad. Yeah. Let me just open it. Yep. Here's the Wii U gamepad. Looks very interesting, and below it are the ZR and ZL and ZR buttons. And this thing looks very interesting indeed. I like the way it looks, and I think that's where you can plug new accessories. And there's a headphone jack on it too. And there's the AC adapter too. I'll have to put batteries in this first before I use it. And I think this is the actual console itself. Let me just open it and see for myself. Yeah. Yep. Let me just let me see if I can get this opened. Yeah. Yeah. This is the actual console itself. Just take the plastic tape off of it. Yep. Yep, this is the console itself. Yeah. And its sides look a lot rounder, as you can see. Now for the other part of the box. I'll have to throw all the, or put it all back in the box once I'm finished. Yep, and let me just get this out. And here's Nintendo Land for the Wii U, and I think this shows everything you can play with it. Yep, that's definitely everything you can play. And here's the instruction guide. I think this is very good looking. Yep, this is the instruction guide. And yeah, these must be the power supplies. Yeah, this looks good. Oh, these must be two stands. Yeah, these are the two stands. And yeah, another stand. This must be for the gamepad, I think. Yeah. And here's something else, I think. Yep. I think this is the charger for the gamepad. Yeah, it is. And, yep. Another cable. And I think this is the, this is like that thing. This is the sensor bar, like the one I have on my Wii. So yeah, now my Wii U is open, so and you've seen everything it comes with. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Take care.